大家好，我是马生。Welcome to Lesson 5, 第五课。For your information, we are going to use simplified Chinese 简体中文 in this video. We have a lot to learn in this lesson, so make sure that you pay full attention. And today we are going to learn how to greet people using different terms, and also how to address family members, and also the age, like asking how are you, and also some grammar. Let's get started. So apart from saying 你好, hello, you could also say good morning, good afternoon, and good night, depending on the time of the day. So let's start with good morning. 早安，早早早早早安，早安。Good afternoon. 午安，午午午安，午安。And good night. 晚安，晚安，晚安。Remember that you use 晚安 before you go to bed. So in the evening, you don't use 晚安, you could just say 你好. And the last phrase. So remember that last time we learned to say 你好 and asking what's your name. And at the end of the conversation, you could say nice to meet you. In Chinese, it's 很高兴认识你。很个高高，是阴性，星星星星，人，是一是，是，你，很高兴认识你。Very happy to know you, or nice to meet you. Vocabulary for family. So, 家 家. Remember that the words also used to describe house, family, and home. Husband, 老公，老，公，老公。老婆 wife, 老，婆，老婆。Son, 儿子，儿子。Daughter, 女儿，女，女儿。Grandfather, 爷爷，爷爷。Grandmother, 奶奶，奶奶。Father, 爸爸，爸爸。Mother, 妈妈，妈妈。Elder brother, 哥哥，哥哥。Elder sister, 姐姐，姐姐。And myself, 我。Younger brother, 弟弟，弟弟。Younger sister, 妹妹。So now you know the vocabularies to describe your family members in Chinese. So we're going to learn numbers, or how to say your age in Chinese. 0 is 零，零。And I hope you still remember the number 1 to 10 in Chinese. Let's repeat. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. And how do you form, like in English, 20, 30, 40, and to 100? So you simply put 10 at the end next to the numbers, like, for example, 20, 20, 10, and 30 is 30, 40, 40, 50, 50 60 60 70 70 80 80 90 90 Of course, 100 is a bit different. Because it's 100, a 1, you just say 一, and 100 in Chinese is called 百. 百, 百, 100. So now you have this, the tens and the units. How do you form your age, the numbers? For example, if you are 32 years old, you could just say the 32 in Chinese would be 32. And 56 in Chinese would be 56. And 107 in Chinese is 107. Okay, I hope you get it. If you don't, you can just drop me a message and we can talk about more on how to form numbers in Chinese. Okay, now we are going to learn a few words so that we can ask people, how old are you? So in Chinese, years old or year old age in Chinese is 岁. 仄微虽水水水水. Or you could use the term 多大, how old or how big. 的窝多, 的啊大, 大大大大. So 多 basically means how many, how much, or the extent. And 大 basically means big or old in this case. 多大, how old, how big. So it could be used to ask age or anything else. Like, for example, how big is the table? 桌子多大? 桌子 means table. I'm just going to give you an example. Okay, and then the below you could see last year, this year, and next year. Last year, 去年区域区曲曲曲去你呀年年年去年 last year. This year, 今年这阴今你呀年年年今年 this year. Next year, 明年么阴明明明你呀年年年明年 Now some grammar. 几 how many or how much. 这一季 for example 几岁 how old. 这一季这位岁岁岁岁岁几岁 Remember that this term is used to ask us people's age. And the words that you will see very frequently, which is 有 有 有 有 有 有 have. Don't have in Chinese is 没有 没 没 没 没 没有 So how to use this word 有 For example, 我有个妹妹 I have a sister. And you could see the words highlighted in purple. We're going to explain this word later in the next slide. And the words 了 了 So you are going to see this word very frequently. It is used to indicate a situation that is already happened. Or you could simply say already 了 Okay, the word 个 个 It is very common that you're going to find this word. It is a general measure word that indicate the numbers of people, things, or time. And then 口 口 is a measure word to indicate the numbers of family members or numbers of bites of food. Remember that this word it has other meanings. Ko basically means mouth, but in the context of this lesson, it is a major word. So let's look at some examples of how to use what we've learned today and also the previous lessons. 早安 Good morning. 早安 Good morning. 你们来自什么国家 What country are you from? 我们来自泰国。这是我的老婆。We come from Thailand. This is my wife. 你们家有几口人 How many people are there in your family? 我们家有3口人。我有个儿子。There are 3 people in our family. I have a son. 你儿子今年几岁 How old is your son this year? 我儿子5岁了。My son is 5 years old. Okay, let's repeat. Good morning. 早安。你们来自什么国家？你们 is you, a plural. 来自 comes from. 什么 what? 国家 country. What country are you from? 我们来自泰国。We, plural. 来自 come from 泰国 Thailand. 这是我的老婆。这 this 是 is 我的 my 老婆 wife 这是我的老婆 This is my wife 你们家有几口人你们家 your family Okay, you might be wondering why don't you say 你们的家 Of course you can say that, that is correct but you could also omit the to make the phrase much shorter and it still makes sense. 你们家 your family 有 have 几口 how many 人 people How many people are there in your family? 你们家有几口人 Or its literal translation is your family has how many people? 我们家有3口人。我们家 our family 有 have 3口 3人 people They are 3 people in our family 我们家有3口人。我有个儿子。I have a son 我 I 有 have 个 like indicates the numbers of the persons 儿子 son 我有个儿子 I have a son So this whole sentence or this part of conversation its literal translation is our family has 3 people I have a son 你儿子今年几岁 How old is your son this year 你儿子 See the example Why don't you say 你的儿子 Well, basically, you can say 你的儿子 or 你儿子 both of them make sense. 今年 this year 几岁 How old? 你儿子今年几岁 How old is your son this year? Okay, now again, and you might wonder where is the verb to be? Why don't you say is? You can't find it in Chinese sentence. I mean, in this particular sentence. Well, depending on the context, when the verbs are omitted, the whole sentence is still acceptable. It basically makes sense. You just need to get, what you really want to ask, and the context right, and who you're asking. All the nouns you put them together without the verbs, it makes sense. For example, in this case, 我儿子5岁了 My son is 5 years old. 我儿子 my son 5岁 5 years old 了 already. My son is 5 years old. Okay, you see again, like 我儿子. Why don't you say 我的儿子? Like again, it's the same. It makes sense without saying 的我儿子. And then you wonder again, like where is the verb to be or verb? There's no verb at all in this sentence. Like I just said, you can just omit the verb. The whole sentence makes sense as long as you need to know what you want to say. Like the subject, the object, and the context, then it's okay without the verbs. Okay, I hope you understand what we have learned today. If you really have any questions or are confused or at any parts or have any feedbacks on this video, please just drop me a message. I really welcome them. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. 谢谢，再见。